Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can launch the configuration page of this R40A gateway. Okay, now in this video we will see how to connect this R40A gateway with the Wi-Fi network. As you guys already know this gateway is brought to you by the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited, and they are the official distributor of this kind of BL IoT products in India. So if you want to buy R40A gateway, R10A gateway, BL102 PLC gateway, you can buy from them. Or if you want any other BL IoT products as well, then you can also contact them on their phone number, or you can also visit their website to buy other BL IoT products. Okay, so now we will focus on our agenda that we want to connect this gateway to our Wi-Fi network. So first of all, we will open the gateway configuration page. So in the previous video, we have seen that how we can launch the gateway configuration page with the default IP address, and the default IP address of this gateway is 192.168.3.1. So once you launch this default IP address in your browser, you have to provide admin as a username, and you have to leave the password field blank, and just you have to press on login to log in into the configuration page of this R40A gateway. Okay, now you can go to network and then you can navigate to Wi-Fi to connect with any available Wi-Fi networks. You can already see here I have connected the Wi-Fi antenna with my network. You can see the antenna here. Okay, even if you don't connect this antenna, then also you are able to connect with Wi-Fi network. But to get better signal strength of your Wi-Fi, it is suggested you connect this antenna with your gateway. Okay, so you can navigate to the network and here Wi-Fi section to connect with any available Wi-Fi network. So here you have to click on scan on this MediaTek MT76X8802.11 BGN. Okay, so this will be the radio. Okay, you have to click on scan here, so it will scan the available Wi-Fi networks around you. Okay, you can see here that much Wi-Fi network is available around me. So I am going to connect with the Capgemini 4G network. So I am going to click on join network here, and it will ask me for a password. Okay, because my Wi-Fi network is secure. So if I click on join network here, then it will ask me for password. So here you have to provide your Wi-Fi password. So it's Wi-Fi password. Let me enter it. Okay, I have entered my Wi-Fi password. Now we will click on submit. So this page is to perform the additional advanced settings. Okay, so if you want to change anything here, you can change it. Otherwise, just click on save. Okay, now you can see here there are 11 unsaved changes, and here also you can see interface has 8 pending changes. So until you click on save and apply, it will not be affected, or otherwise if you don't click on save and apply, this gateway will not able to connect with the configure Wi-Fi address. So you have to click on save and apply here, then and then only the gateway will connect to Wi-Fi network. So you have to wait until this configuration has been applied to gateway, and once the configuration has been applied, you can see here associated station, our Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, now you can navigate to status and you can navigate to overview. Here you can see network, okay, and the IPv4 upstream. Now we are connected with this gateway using this LAN cable, and this LAN port has a default IP address of 192.168.3.1. Okay, now if I disconnect this cable, okay, if I disconnect this LAN cable and if I want to connect with this gateway wirelessly, then I can use this IP address 192.168.1.11. Okay, so if I copy this IP address and if I paste it in a new tab and if I open it, then I am able to open the configuration page of this gateway. Okay, now if I refresh it here, then it will not find any IP address 192.168.3.1 on the network, and it will not connect with my gateway using the LAN IP address. Okay, so in case if you want to configure your gateway R40A gateway wirelessly, then you can use Wi-Fi connectivity to configure this gateway wirelessly. So if I enter my username here and if I log in here, okay, I am connected, or I am able to configure this gateway, and you can see here this connection has a timeout because we are not connected with this gateway through the LAN cable or through this IP address or through this network. Okay, so this is how you can configure your R40A gateway with Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can perform your configuration or you can perform your modification of this gateway using wirelessly. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to go to network, you have to go to Wi-Fi, and here you have to scan available Wi-Fi network. Okay, using this card you have to scan it, and whatever Wi-Fi network you want to connect, you have to specify the password for that Wi-Fi network, and you have to save and apply to make those configuration changes in the gateway. And once you are connected, you have to visit overview page in the system, and you will find the IP address associated with your network. Okay, so if I am connected with wireless network or Wi-Fi network, then my IP address is 192.168.1.11, and if I am connected with this LAN cable, then my IP address will be 192.168.3.1. okay, you can see I am able to connect now. Okay, so this is how you can connect your R40A gateway with wireless network. So if you have any question or any doubt regarding this wireless connectivity, then you can ping me on the WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. And this gateway is brought to you by the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. As you guys know, they are the official distributor of BL IoT products. Their website and their phone number is on screen as well as in the description of this video. Do check out their website and do call them if you have any requirement of any BL IoT products. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.